Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the AirTag by Apple, and what this is basically a device which you enable and put on something that you use so that you can find it if you go ahead and lose it. How this works is you go ahead and connect it to your device and you go through your Find My iPhone or Find My app, and you can locate wherever this is, and this also is you're also able to locate it through a further place which doesn't have a Bluetooth connection to your phone. You can find it if there are other iPhones around, which this will go ahead and form a connection with, and it will send you a signal if you go ahead and put it on a mode that it has, which is called lost mode. So let's go ahead and begin with the unboxing. First up, I'm going to go ahead and check out the box here. So it's very simple. It just says AirTag with the AirTag image right there. You can go ahead and see it right there. And then we also have the back, which just gives some explanations. So this one right here, the single pack, is going to be costing $29, and there's also going to be a pack which has 4 AirTags inside of it, and that's going to be $99. So if you're thinking of buying a couple of them, go ahead and buy that one because that's going to be the better deal for you. You're getting 4 of them and it's going to be cheaper than if you just bought them all separately. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We have a little pull tab right here, which I will go ahead and try to pull. Boom. And we can go ahead and open it up from down here, I believe, if I can manage to do that as well. Boom. So it's stuck a little. Pull this out, and that is basically about it. So we do get a couple more things right here, so let's check all these out. We don't really need to read these, some regulatory compliance information, Apple 1-year limited warranty and stuff, so we can go ahead and put that to the side, and we immediately are introduced to this little box, or this little packaging, which says AirTag on it. So you unfold it and you get some steps right here, and you also can see the AirTag right here. So the AirTag does have a stainless steel body. And so let's go ahead and check this out. So it says update to the latest iOS or iPadOS, turn on Bluetooth, then pull tab, and that's about it. And then we also have the AirTag right here, which has the little sticker for the pull tab, and we also have this right here, hold near device and follow on-screen instructions. So let's go ahead and take the AirTag out real quick. Boom. And let's go ahead and check this out. So we have a little plastic thing around it, which we will go ahead and pull. So you go ahead and pull it, unfold it right here, unravel it, boom, and when you do pull it, it's going to activate. So let me go ahead and bring my iPhone close up so we can see what it looks like. So I'm gonna put it right here, and once I pull this, you're gonna hear that beeping noise, and it should automatically show up right here. And as you can see, it's right there. So before I connect it, let me go ahead and put that to the side. We're gonna go ahead and talk about the body and the battery life. So this right here is around the size of a quarter, so it's really small. We do have the writings right here. So it says made in, assembled in China, Bluetooth LE, ultra wideband, AirTag, designed by Apple in California. So we have what's written on there. You can also get these customized with emojis and stuff. You can also write some things on there. I just want to have a plain look right here. I could have gotten an Apple logo right there if I wanted, but I just want to have this plain white look. And we also can access our battery through here. So you're just going to want to push down, and I believe you twist, boom, and it just pops up right here. So we have this Panasonic 3-volt battery, which you can go ahead and change. Apple does give a guarantee that this will last around a year. So they don't give a guarantee, but they say it should last around a year. So let me go ahead and put this back on if I can. Boom, like so, and right there. So I just went ahead and put it back on, and now it has turned on. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the setup process with y'all. So let's bring it right next to my phone, and we have it pop up right here. So you click connect, and you're going to be naming it. So I'm going to be putting it on my keys, my keychain. As you can see, I already have the smart tag right here, but let me go ahead and connect the AirTag to this as well. So keys, you can also put it on your backpack, bike, camera, handbag, all these other things, or you can have a custom name. So you can put it set it for your wallet, and there are actually wallet accessories for this. I don't have any currently, but I will talk about this as well. So there are some wallet accessories that have been released by some other companies, and you can go ahead and check those out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it for my keys, continue, and then I'm gonna say use this iPhone right here. Okay, so it does show you some of my information. That's why I went ahead and put the phone out of the way, and it gives me my name and it says my keys right here. Setting it up right now, and boom, so it's with me. It says precision finding. So let me go and zoom in. Precision finding: when AirTag is nearby, an arrow will point it to its precise location. Find your AirTag by playing the sound from your iPhone. Directions in Maps. So you can also navigate to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and click View and Find My. So now we can go ahead and see that we have it right here. It goes ahead and shows you the exact location, and that is pretty cool. So it says with you. Now it shows you a battery life right there. It, I guess, gives you an estimate. I'm not sure if it's accurate, but I feel like it's an estimate. So we have all these settings. So play sound, let's go ahead and put this back. So play sound, find nearby, notify when found. So you can put it into lost mode, and when it's in lost mode, it will constantly be tracking other iPhones to find the location of your AirTag. So if there is an iPhone nearby or an iOS device nearby that is supported and has the latest updates, it will go ahead and connect to it and send you a precise location of where your device is. So let's go ahead and test out some of the features. We do have play sound right here, which I will go ahead and test. So let's go ahead and click that. As you can hear, we have this cool chiming noise. So it's to help you find it when you're nearby. And then we also have this thing called Find Nearby. So when you say Find Nearby, you go ahead and search it and it will start connecting. So it says signal is weak, and it says it's right here, as I am right next to it. And once it's right there, you can go ahead and just click this to hear it as well if you're having some trouble finding it. So I will go ahead and do a quick little test. I'm gonna go ahead and place my AirTag somewhere, and I will go ahead and show y'all how the Find Nearby works. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause it right here, and I'll get back to y'all real quick. So I am currently in my backyard right now, and I have the AirTag right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it right in between here and just plop it right there. So let's go ahead and grab my iPhone real quick, which I have right behind me, and check this out. So we have the Find My app up here, and we can go ahead and play the sound. We can do a quick sound test, so I will move a little further back. I'm sorry if there is any wind noise, it is a little windy. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the sound. And you can hear it a little bit. It is getting a little louder, and I can perfectly hear it right now. So now that we did that, let's go ahead and check out the Find Nearby. So I'm gonna go ahead and click this right here, and it is connecting to it. And as you can see, it gives you like a pretty precise location. So it says 4 feet, and as I move closer, 3 feet, 2 feet, 1.7, 1.5, and it is right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and click it, and you can hear the chime, and boom, it should be right there, and like so. So it's pretty easy to find it, and it also gives you an idea. So it says here, and when I move it back, it says it's a little further, and the distance is pretty accurate. So let me go ahead and get back inside, and we will talk about some accessories that you can get for this. So I just did the test, and as y'all saw, it is pretty cool and a pretty easy way to find the device. It gives you pretty accurate ratings, especially with the distance and all that. So now that we got through all of that and how it works, let's go ahead and talk about some accessories. So at Apple's website, you can get a couple of accessories like keychains and these loops that you can put onto your backpack and whatnot, and there are some other things, and there are also third-party variants, like as I was talking about, I believe Spigen is releasing a wallet variant, so you can just go ahead and plop this inside of like a card thingy, and then you can plop that into your wallet, so you'll be able to put it inside your wallet and find your wallet when you need. However, I went ahead and got some third-party accessories, but they were not a wallet. I did go up into Amazon and found some keychains right here. The main reason I bought it from Amazon was because Apple's is a little pricier. They do look a little cooler and feel a little better, but I just went ahead and picked up this silicone variant from Amazon. I'm not even sure what the brand is, but it came with a pack of 3, which I will show off right here. So we got like this teal color, this bluish teal color, we got a white color, and we also have a black color. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the black one right here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so we have our keychain. Let me go to move my phone to the side, and let's go ahead and check this out. So it's pretty easy to put your AirTag in here. You just go ahead and plop it in. Well, at least you try to. Once you get one side, the rest will be a little easier. I am struggling just a tad bit. Boom, I got that side in right there. Stretch it out a little bit. and you should be able to plop it in. As you can see, my AirTag is located right here. And let me go ahead and straighten this up, put it into place, and boom. Just like that, you have your AirTag inside of your keychain accessory, which you have purchased from another place. So we do get our keychain right here, and if you go ahead and use this, you can plop it onto your keys, which I will do after I'm done with this video. I already have my smart tag, as I said. I will go ahead and plop it onto my keys, but for now, this is basically what it looks like. Apple's also looks like this. They have like a different mechanism. You can just plop it in and clip it, but this is what you will get if you go ahead and buy some third-party accessories. So it's pretty cool that we have all these accessories. The one part that I don't really like is it doesn't come with its own keychain hole, so you do have to buy an extra accessory for it. However, if that's not an issue with you, then that is okay, and I'm perfectly fine with it because you can find a whole bunch of third-party variants for a lot cheaper when compared to Apple. So that's basically gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.